Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to SJP bank account online. SJP or St. James Palace Bank is a bank that offers mortgages, savings and current accounts. If you'd like to log into your internet banking account for St. James Place, then simply keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.sjpbank.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of St. James Palace Bank. Click the www.if.com button in order to log into your account. Click the login button at the top right hand corner and then select one of the plans displayed on the screen you'd like to log in with. Click on the login button according to your choice and then on the next field you'll need to log into your online banking account. If you don't have an account yet for the online banking service, then you can click on the register link and follow through the registration process. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your online username associated with your online banking account and then type in your password correct on the next field. Finally, click on the continue button in order to land in the main home page of SJP online banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.